Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial we are gonna look at how to change the trade settings in Bitget. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface and I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. We have also created a tutorial regarding how to. Now let's simply look at how to change the trade settings. At the top right you can see the profile icon right here. Click on it. And right here, as you can see, there are multiple options. But right now what you guys need to do is simply scroll down, and right here you can find the settings button. Click on it, and as such you will be redirected to the settings page. As you can see, here is preferences, notifications, and right here are the trade settings. You can change the future trading and unrealized P&L. Well, it is up to you. Simply select whatever you wish, and as such your setting will have been saved. That is how you change the trade settings in Bitget. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.